Guys, in terms of doing your green screen, you need a green material and you need a software called KineMaster. Or if you cannot use KineMaster, you need to use CapCut or InShot. But better still, KineMaster is the best. So it's easy for you to use. It's easy for you to change your background. It's easy for you to use your green material. It's easy for you to change your background using a chroma key. And where can chroma key be found? In the settings of your application. So for more of this video, why don't you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to like and share. If you need a tutorial of this video, just send me a DM and thanks.